today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Spotify songs to Canva. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Canva account and that you have a design open. This could be anything you're working on, like a presentation, a social media post, or a video. Once your design is open on the screen, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva editor. You'll see a vertical toolbar with options like Elements, Uploads, Text, and so on. In that same panel, find and click on the option labeled Apps. This is where Canva lets you connect different tools and services, including the feature we need to bring in Spotify content. After you click on Apps, a search bar will appear at the top of that panel, along with a range of app suggestions below it. In the search bar, type the word Embed. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled correctly, because Canva will use that keyword to narrow down the tools it shows you. You should now see an option simply called Embed. Go ahead and click on the Embed option when it appears. This opens up Canva's Embed tool, which lets you bring in content from other websites using a link. In that Embed window, you'll see a field where you can paste a URL, along with a button to confirm the embed. If the Embed panel is minimized or not fully visible yet, look for a button labeled Open and click on it. This ensures the Embed tool is expanded so you can actually paste your link and see the preview. It's a small step, but it's important so you don't think something is broken when it's just hidden. Now you're ready to bring in your Spotify track. In another tab or window, open Spotify and copy the link to the song, playlist, or podcast you want to use. Come back to Canva, and in the Embed field, either click on the Spotify option if it's shown there, or simply paste your Spotify link directly into the field. Once you've done that, confirm the embed. Canva will then load your Spotify content as an embedded element inside your design. You can resize it, move it around, and position it just like any other object. And that's all you need to upload a Spotify song to Canva using the embed feature.